Working at Wolf Creek is a little different than most of the construction companies that I've worked for before. We will put into our employees whatever they need and whatever tools they need to accomplish what they need to do.
Coming to work at Wolf Creek every day is a journey. We never really have a script. There's always different tasks thrown at you. You have to be ready for anything. One of our core values is actually being swift to change, and we change here on a day-to-day basis.
The biggest thing that has made Wolf Creek so successful is the core values. A lot of people value integrity, they value honesty, the teamwork. Everybody jumps in to help one another.
Some of the advantages of working for Wolf Creek is we try to promote from within. If we've got a really good laborer and he comes to me and says he wants to be an estimator, then we feed him some information and kind of get him started on the side and then eventually try to get him in the position that we want him to.
Coming to work on a day-to-day basis is really like an extended family, really. We all get along really well. This is a small community. Everybody here in this Watertown office, we've all grown up together. Our kids play sports together, they go to school together, and everybody's interested in not just the professional side of the individual, but also the personal side.
Within Wolf Creek, the leadership circle is 4 people. It's probably some of the best people that I've ever worked with. I feel the most at home with this team as I have with anybody I've ever worked with.
Wolf Creek does help all the employees. The company also, their 401k matching. The owner of the company, Damian Lang, here in the Canal Valley, he supersedes any 401k matching.
Wolf Creek, I think it's more about our culture. We look for small town people to work in our companies, and we look for the certain type of people that we know are going to work and last a long time with us. We know if we hire the wrong person, they're not going to stick around because our culture is infectious. It's kind of hard to explain, but it just seems like we're all the same person. I guess it's the people we interview. We typically hire the people that are like us.
If you're looking for an opportunity for a company that you want to grow with and grow into, even with us being a small company, there's room for growth for anybody here, and they will listen to your input and make sure that if there's a spot for you, they're going to find a spot for you.
For those that are looking for a job at Wolf Creek, I would say the key points are safety, quality, production. Safety's first, quality's second, and production's third. Safety's first because we want to make sure our employees go home safely to their families.
I think that if you want to work at Wolf Creek, or you're thinking of working at Wolf Creek in the future, I think it's a great idea. We're always looking for new and equipped people. If you're interested in growth, if you want to work hard, if you are passionate about somebody's goals and visions, this is the place to be.